So strong. Ugh. Can't believe What's going on, kings and queens? It's your girl Olivia here checking in, and yes, I am bringing you the business keys to ensure all of us are touching that 2020 finish line stronger than we started 2019. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be discussing some pricing strategies, and basically this is for anyone who's trying to step out into the market with a profitable product, and product meaning anything from workshops, seminars, if you are just selling your time as a model, if you're selling a physical product like AVOCURL and you're selling these awesome, amazing hair care products. You guys, you name it. Anything that is really aligning with you and your creative abilities, this is how you should be marketing them to your audience. So without further ado, we're going to step into our very first of 3 marketing strategies. The first one is called penetration marketing. Or penetration pricing, excuse me, for all of my really technical folk out there. Basically, strategy number 2 is called market pricing. Market pricing is simply you're going in there, and this is really what most people do. You go into the market, you say, hey, I want to put out this product of this leave-in conditioner. I need to see what is everyone else pricing their leave-in conditioner for. Okay. I see that 10 other brands are pricing it at $20, so I'm going to price mine at $20 too. There's nothing wrong with it, to each its own, but the only thing here is that you really have to know your numbers just to make sure that you can actually keep up. The last strategy is called cost pricing. This is all really kind of one of my favorites as well. This one simply just means that you figure out your cost of how much it takes to produce the actual product, and then you multiply it times 3, so that way you actually can make a profit for yourself and also cover the price of marketing. Alright ladies, this is exclusive secret, okay? Now when this bad boy gets too tight, you want to make sure you start to form your bantu knot a little bit loose, kind of just a little bit away from your head. And if it gets too tight, all you're going to do is you're just going to twist it in the opposite direction to make it a little bit more loose at the scalp. And then you're just going to keep twisting that piece of hair